Hello YouTube, it is Alvaro over here. In this video I will show you how you can update or install your Windows PC drivers. It is important that you install all the drivers on your PC, otherwise the computer may not be working properly. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is check your motherboard version. So you will need to go to search and you will need to type DX Diagnostic. Open the first one. This is a DX Diagnostic tool, and you can check over here your system manufacturer, which is Lenovo in my case, and the system model, which is 82B1. The second step, you will need to go to search engine. Let me go to google.com and search for the model. Download Lenovo, which is my laptop manufacturer, 82B1, which is my laptop model, and after that drivers, and try to find the official website from where we can download the drivers for your PC. Okay, I'm going to open the first one. Over here you can check there are some options. There is automatic driver update. You can download this one, and this software will scan your computer and will find the missing drivers or outdated drivers. Or otherwise you can go to manual update and you can see what components you are looking for. If you're looking for audio, you have it over here, BIOS, you have the Bluetooth and modem, we have the camera and card reader over here, diagnostic, mouse, pen, keyboard, power management, etc. Okay, so let's say that you want to download audio over here. You have one download available. So here it is, the Realtek audio driver for Windows 10. You will click on it and you will have a download button over here, which you can download. Okay, so the driver is downloading already, and you will need to double click in order for it to install. Okay, I'm gonna cancel right now. So this is the safest and the fastest way possible in order for you to download and update the missing drivers on your PC. But if you are not able to find the drivers in this method for some reasons, you will need to download the software. So let me go on search engine again, google.com, and you will need to search for Snapdriver download. Okay, you will need to open the first one, Snapdriver installer, download this one, and this will work for all Windows versions. You can download the light one or full one. I'm gonna download the light one. Okay, now open the zip file over here, and you will need to extract it somewhere on desktop. So let me extract all on desktop. Okay, you will need to run this file for 64 bits. And you will see this page. You will allow access of this one if it asks you from the firewall. Okay, so this is the Snapdriver installer welcome screen. Over here you have three options: download all driver packs, download network drivers only, and download indexes only. We need the third one. So this allows you to scan your PC to see which drivers need to be installed or updated. So the download will only require a few minutes, but you will need an internet connection when your driver packs need to be downloaded. So you will click this one. After the scan is completed, you will see all updated and missing drivers on your Windows PC. On the left, you have some options. We have the found in driver packs drivers that are not installed, drivers that need to be on a newer version, drivers that are current, older, best match, and worst match. You will need to check which of these you are interested in. Let's say you are interested on newer versions, and you will uncheck the not installed and the better match, and you will see all the matching data. Over here you can see all the drivers that need to be updated. But I will recommend you that as far as your PC is running well, then it is important not to update the driver, because not always the updated one will be the best one. So if your computer is running well, try not to update the drivers. Also, if you want to update the drivers, it is best that you create a restore point over here. So after you create a restore point, you can easily get back to the same driver version that you had earlier by just restoring. Okay, so if let's say that you want to update one driver, and let's say I need to update this one, the GPIO controller. You will click this one, and you will see install on the top right corner in green. Click install, and the software will start downloading the software and will install the driver. Okay guys, so these are two methods that you can download and install the drivers on your PC for free and on the safest way possible. Thanks for watching, thumbs up.